Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 3rd of our video series in which we are learning about two very important Korean particles, 에 and 에서. They are popularly known as the time and location particle in Korean language. In the first part, I introduced you all to these two particles and then we talked about how to use the particle 에 as a time particle in Korean. Then in the second part, we learned the usage of 에 as a location particle. Now in this part, that is the part 3rd, we are going to learn how to use the particle 에서 as a time particle in Korean language. So without wasting any time, let's start. Now when used as a time particle, 에서, it is used to indicate the time at which something starts. Okay, focus on this word start, which can be translated to from in English. Okay, so जब भी ऐसा को एज ए टाइम पार्टिकल यूज करते हैं तो ये क्या इंडिकेट करता है, वो टाइम जब कुछ स्टार्ट हुआ है, when something starts, that time is denoted by this particle. ओके और जब आप इसका इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन करेंगे तो ये क्या होगा, फ्रॉम, राइट, फ्रॉम पर्टिकुलर टाइम समथिंग स्टार्टेड. ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू सी एग्जांपल्स फॉर दिस and you will notice that it is often followed by another Korean particle, kachi. Okay, what kachi does is it is used to indicate the time at which something ends and therefore it can be translated to in English. Okay, तो ये एक पेयर है. आप नोटिस करेंगे कि ऐसा जो है वो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम एक कोरियन पार्टिकल है काची, उसके साथ पेयर्ड अप किया जाता है. काची का मीनिंग क्या है, टू डिनोट एट विच टाइम समथिंग एंड्स, राइट, और इसीलिए इसका इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन होगा टू. तो जब आप इसे पेयर बनाएंगे तो क्या होगा, फ्रॉम दिस टाइम टू दिस टाइम, राइट. फ्रॉम के लिए ऐसा और टू के लिए काची. Now let's see how to use ऐसा in Korean sentences. Here are two examples. Let's see the first one. I will study from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock. In Korean, it will be 저는 3시에서 5시까지 공부할 거예요. Okay? Now here, to study is 공부하다. So in future tense, it is 공부할 거예요. This much is easy. Now here you can notice that this phrase from a particular time to a particular time. So this is the format for using the particle 에서 and kachi. So in Korean, from 3 o'clock is 3시에서 and to 5 o'clock is 5시까지. Okay, this is how we use these two particles in a sentence, right? Next example is the festival is from Monday to Wednesday. So in Korean, it will be 축제는 월요일에서 수요일까지예요. Okay, now festival in Korean is 축제, right? Here also notice the phrase from a particular time to a particular time. So from Monday 월요일에서 to Wednesday 수요일까지. Okay, this is the usage of these two particles in Korean sentences. Very easy. Now here is a very important note. 부터 is another Korean particle that translates to from and it is also used to indicate both time and location, similar to ऐसा. Okay, तो एक कोरियन पार्टिकल और है फूटा जो बिल्कुल ऐसा की तरह वर्क करता है कोरियन सेंटेंसेस में. ऑल्दो देयर इज ए स्लाइट डिफरेंस बिटवीन देम, बट अगर आप इनका बेसिक मीनिंग देखेंगे तो सेम है. इट ऑल्सो ट्रांसलेट्स टू फ्रॉम एंड इट इज ऑल्सो यूज टू इंडिकेट बोथ टाइम एंड लोकेशन इन कोरियन सेंटेंसेस. नाउ while both of these particles, futa and eso, they can be used interchangeably in some context. Bhuta is generally used to indicate the starting point of something, which means the time at which something starts, while eso is primarily used to indicate the location from which something starts. Okay, क्या मतलब हुआ? Bhuta particle जो है वो usually कब काम में लिया जाता है? When you have to indicate the time at which something is starting. और eso इसको हम generally कब use में लेते हैं? When you have to indicate the location from which something starts, right? Although you can use both of these particles to denote both time and location, but their general usage, usually what happens is Bhuta is used to indicate time and eso is used to indicate the location. This is the general usage. Okay, just now you saw two examples in which we used eso as a time particle in Korean. Now, I will repeat those two examples again over here, and this time we'll use the particle Bhuta in place of eso to indicate from what time something started. Okay, let's see. The first one is I will study from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock. So in Korean it is 저는 3시부터 5시까지 공부할 거예요. You can notice that the sentence is same except Bhuta has replaced eso. Okay, बाकी पूरा sentence same है, सिर्फ eso की जगह क्या आ गया है? Bhuta. Okay, so this is how you use this Korean particle while denoting time in sentences, right? Next example is the festival is from Monday to Wednesday. So in Korean it is 축제는 월요일부터 수요일까지예요. Here also the sentence is exactly the same as we just saw earlier while using eso as the time particle. Just one change, and that is we have replaced eso with Bhuta. Okay, and the remaining sentence, the remaining grammar is exactly the same. तो इस तरह से Bhuta को यूज किया जाता है एज ए टाइम पार्टिकल, एंड Bhuta is more commonly used as compared to eso in the form of a time particle in Korean sentences. Remember this, it is very important. Okay, so in this video we learned how to use the particles eso, Bhuta and kaji as time particles in Korean. Now we will learn about the usage of Bhuta and kaji as location particles in the next video of this series, in which we will talk about how to use the particle eso as a location particle in Korean. Alright, in this video we learned how to use them as time particles, and in the next video of this series we are going to learn how to use these three particles as location particle in Korean sentences. Okay, so this was all about Korean particle eso being used as a time particle in Korean sentences. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.